thanks for joining me. Today I just wanted to show you guys my Easter decorations. I don't have very much up. I didn't really have a whole lot of Easter stuff this year, so just wanted to show you the little bit that I do have. And then here on the table, have the Easter eggs that we colored yesterday. I was really impressed with the dyeing kit that we got from Dollar Tree. Also put up one of those little like banners with the little bunnies. And then I just made like a little bouquet to put on the table as well. And then just give me 1 second and I'll show you the little bit of stuff I have outside. Put one of the little felt bunnies up in the window. And then there's the Happy Easter right there on the door. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.